Hello guys, welcome to Astronovatech. My name is Anish. I am today taking a class of C language introduction. We'll start. So C is a general purpose high level language that is originally developed by Dennis M. Ritchie. This was developed for Unix operating system own development. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in Dell Labs. So this is a minor introduction I am giving. We will get bored otherwise. Unix operating system, the C compiler and essentially all Unix application programs have been written in C language. So next thing we can see is the facts about C language. C was invented to write an operating system called Unix. So C is a language which is developed and which is its libraries. It's having a lot of libraries. Those libraries are written in C language itself. So the operating system where this programming language can be used. There are different operating systems like Unix. As we know, Unix, Linux, it is a GUI based Unix, and Windows, it is the modern Windows operating system. It has different flavors, say server based and personal use. Windows has different types of operating system, and mobile applications also. Mobile devices has also its own operating system, so such as Android and iOS. Like that, we in the beginning stage of programming history, this Unix was developed by C language. So this C language, as it is very close to the system's memory registers, memory location, it can point to the particular memory, and it can utilize bitwise operations. All because of this is a popular system programming language. Today C is the most widely used system programming language. Most of the state-of-the-art software has been implemented using C. So today we can see another set of details about C, such as mainly its advantages. So in this slide we can see a set of advantages of C language. So first of all, we can see it is efficiency and speed. So why it is so efficient? It is having access to the hardware, memory locations, and other devices which are connected to the system. It can access the ports directly. It can access the database. The hardware related, whatever is there, we can access from the C language very easily. That is the advantage where we're talking about in the efficiency and speed, and it is portable. C program can be compiled and executed on different platforms with minimal or no change in the code. It is portable. Portability is due to the fact that the language has been standardized and the compilers are available for each of the operating system which is used globally. Close to hardware. What does that mean? direct manipulation of hardware through the use of pointers and low-level operating system operations. This makes it suitable for system programming and developing applications that require fine-grained control over the hardware resources. Standard libraries. For common tasks such as input-output operations, string manipulation, and mathematical computation, C comes with a large set of standard libraries which has been helps the developers write code more efficiently by leveraging the pre-built functions. And another advantage is you can say is structured programming, procedural language, and versatility. Structured programming means C helps to organize into modular and easy to understand blocks. With the functions, loops, and conditional, developers can produce clear code that is easy to maintain. So we can go to the next applications of C language. System programming is one of the application. Embedded systems. Embedded systems is a C language that can be used for embedded system programming for a wide range of devices, such as microcontrollers, industrial controllers, etc., because of its proximity to the hardware. Compiler and interpreter. C language is very common to developer languages compilers, and interpreters. C language can be used to develop the language compilers and interpreters. Database systems. Since C language is efficient and fast for low-level memory manipulation, it is used to develop DBMS, RDBMS engines, etc. Network software. It can be used for developing network software, gaming development, and scientific and mathematical application. Text editors or IDEs can be developed using C. One sample program you can see here. It starts with some library inclusions, that is hash include stdio.h. It is a built-in header. Hash define pi we can define any variable's value using the hash define. Hash include is for importing some libraries. Int main. This is the main method of this any program in C. That's its signature is return type is int and main and bracket open close and floor bracket will open, and inside that we can have data type declaration, data type variable name equal to 5.0. This is the value given to radius. For data type is float, radius is a variable, and 5.0 is assigned to it. Float area is equal to pi into radius, right? Pi r squared. So we are printing using printf method. That for using this printf method we have used stdio.h. Return 0. So it is returning 0 for the main. So nothing is returned back from the main. So this calculation is done and the value is printed here. That's all for today.